All right, Ballet 3. We're going to revisit the Sauté Coupe, Sauté Arabesque, Glissade, Battu Assemblée. You guys should have just watched the video with Catherine Morgan. No, that one's not with Catherine Morgan. Sorry. The video about Battu Assemblées. Great tips in there. The one that we use in your recital dance beats back, close, front. Okay, and then from there, sauté, sauté, back, front. Sauté, sauté, back, front. Okay, so be ready for that. I think arm-wise in the dance, let's go down, down, keep that down here. Okay, I want to, like naturally I want to switch, but I think that's going to be too much going on. So down, down, glissade. Let's do the assemblée arm up. Okay. So down, 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 glissade, assemblée. Down, down, glissade, assemblée. All right, let's try it with music, just that combination. They'll go back and forth. We'll go back and forth a couple of times. Take a 4 count or so, step back, do it again, 4 count or so, do it again. Okay, and then I want you guys to plug that into the recital dance. 5, 6, ready, and sauté, sauté, glissade, assemblée, sauté, sauté, glissade, assemblée, glissade, sauté, sauté, glissade, one more, sauté, 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 sauté. All right, take a breather. Make sure your upper body is staying lifted out of those hips. Let those lower extremities do the work. 5, 6, ready, and glissade, battu. I'm doing the battu wrong. Back front. Glissade, back front. Sauté, sauté, glissade, back front. One more. Sauté, sauté, glissade, back front. Sauté, sauté, glissade, back front. Another 8 count. 5, 6, let's work on those arms. Sauté, sauté, glissade, assemblée. Sauté, sauté, glissade, assemblée. Sauté, sauté, not that arm. Assemblée. Sauté, sauté, glissade. All right. Repeat this a couple times, ladies.